What's the Fourier transform of sine of 2pi60t, where we can consider 60 to be the fundamental frequency f0? From our table, we know that the Fourier transform of sine 2pi f0t, where again f0 can be any frequency, becomes -1 over j2 del f plus f0 plus 1 over positive j2 del f minus f0. So unlike cosine, sine is composed of purely imaginary coefficients. So the easiest way to solve this is by letting the inside term equal x of t, a function dependent on time t in the time domain, and taking the Fourier transform of that to become x of f in the frequency domain. And all we got to do is plug in 60 for f0. Though this is technically the correct answer, we can simplify it by using the property 1 over j. If you multiply by j over j, which is just multiplying by 1, becomes j over j squared. Given that j squared equals -1, or I guess I squared if you want, that'll become j over -1, which is just simply -j. Plugging that in, we put in a -j for 1 over j. So that'd be a double negative, turning into positive j over 2 del f plus 60, now minus j over 2 del f minus 60. And this is the final answer, where dels are the unit impulses occurring at the time f equals -60 and plus 60 respectively. So if we were to graph this in the frequency domain, we need to take the magnitudes, where the magnitude of the first coefficient, j over 2, can be taken as the square root of the sums of the real squared plus imaginary squared. So the real portion of this is 0, since it's completely imaginary, squared, plus 1/2 squared, as this is effectively 0 plus 1/2 j, or j 1/2. And you get square root of 1 over 4, which is just 1/2. So these are magnitudes of 1/2. Plotting in the frequency domain, on the x-axis we can put frequency in hertz, and y-axis is the magnitude x of f. As we said for the first portion, at the frequency f equals -60 Hz, we get an impulse of magnitude 1/2. We additionally get a second impulse at the positive 60 Hz location. However, since we're taking the square root and squaring the coefficient of that negative sign, it becomes positive 1/2 as well. And that's everything. I hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.